Welcome guys. So today we're going to be doing some smoked brats on the Z grill. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so we got is the Johnsonville original bratwurst. So I'm excited to try. We're going to go ahead and try these today. Now, how are we going to cook these bad boys today? So we're going to put our Z grill to 250 degrees. Internal temp that we're going to go by these, we're going to say 165 internal temp. That's how I like my brats. Total cooking time, we're looking at about an hour to an hour and a half in between there right there. But I will check these within the hour to see where we're at. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Z grill. All right, our Z grill is up to temp, 250 degrees. We're going to add these bad boys in there. And we'll be back in 1 hour to check where they're at. All right, so it's been 1 hour. Let's see where they're at. Yep, these are ready. Let's go ahead and take them out. All right, guys, so before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, guys, so I'm just going to keep it simple, just like back in the day. So if you guys notice, when you guys go to a barbecue spot, they give you two slices of bread. And actually, I like it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Now you guys can use any bread you guys want. It's fine. That's what I'm going to do. So it's just simple. Have you guys ever seen that movie, Nothing But Trouble, with Chevy Chase?
Here's how I like them, and I suggest you have them the same way.
Yeah. Brats. And just a little bit of mustard. Just mustard. That's it. That's it. Simple. Now, well, hot. Man, that's good though. Mm. I really like this. When I go to a barbecue joint and they offer some brats too sometimes, you don't see it very much, but I've seen a few that have them. Give me this with a little bit of side of everything, and that's how I eat it. Ask them, do you guys have mustard? Bring on the mustard. And that's how I do it. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Check these videos out. I will see you guys next time.